DJI Avata 3 is not just another drone upgrade. It might be the most important moment the FPV world has seen in years, because it's not only about flying faster or recording sharper video, it's about something deeper. DJI is preparing to make FPV so easy, so cinematic, and so mainstream, that it could change who even gets to call themselves an FPV pilot. And that is exactly why the DJI Avata 3 is already creating tension in the drone community. Excitement for some, fear for others, and pure curiosity for everyone. Because when DJI drops an Avata model, they don't just release a drone, they rewrite the rules. And if the leaks and rumors are even half true, Avata 3 could be the drone that finally makes FPV feel like the future. Not a hobby that takes months to learn, but a skill anyone can unlock within hours. But here's the crazy part. Most people are looking at Avata 3 completely the wrong way. They think it's just going to be a slightly improved Avata 2. A little better camera, a little longer battery, maybe stronger motors. That's what casual viewers assume. But Avata 3 is shaping up to be something much more strategic, almost like a weapon. And today, I'm going to break down exactly why, what's most likely coming, what's rumor versus reality, and the real truth nobody is saying out loud. DJI Avata 3 might be designed to replace the need for traditional FPV builds for most people. And if you've ever dreamed of those insane cinematic fly-through shots you see in Hollywood-style drone videos, stay with me, because by the end of this, you're going to understand why Avata 3 could become the #1 drone for an entirely new generation of creators. Let's start with a hard truth. FPV has always been split into two worlds. One world is the hardcore FPV community. The builders, the tuners, the pilots who speak in motor KV numbers and PID terms like it's a second language. And the other world is everybody else. People who just want the FPV experience without risking thousands of dollars, weeks of setup, and constant crashing. DJI Avata was created for that second world. It brought FPV to people who don't want to solder, people who don't want to troubleshoot antennas, people who don't want to spend nights in forums learning how to flash firmware. And it worked. Avata was the FPV gateway drug. Then Avata 2 made it even more mainstream, faster to learn, cleaner footage, safer design. And that's why the Avata 3 rumors feel different, because DJI now has the confidence to go for something much bigger. Mass adoption of FPV as a creator tool, not a pilot hobby. And the timing is perfect. In the USA right now, content is everything. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels creators are fighting for attention every second. And the truth is, regular content is dying. People are numb. They've seen everything. The only thing that still stops a scroll is something that feels impossible. A shot that looks like it shouldn't exist. That's why FPV footage has become the most valuable type of video. It feels alive. It feels dangerous. It feels like you're in the scene instead of watching it. FPV doesn't just show the world. It makes you feel the world. That's why DJI is betting on Avata 3. Not because drone people want it, but because creators need it. Now here's the biggest question everyone is asking. When is DJI Avata 3 actually coming out? And the honest answer is, DJI hasn't officially confirmed a release date as of right now. But the rumor machine is loud. Leaks, industry chatter, and early